Hey, look what just showed up. Workshop Wound Care by Dr. Jeffrey Hill. It's a Lost Art Press book that Chris and Megan put together, and I was thrilled to have some hands in it. So I did a bunch of illustrations for it. In addition to the full color photographs that they have, I was able to work with them on some of the anatomy drawings and keep the gore factor down a little bit, but it's a great first aid book on typical things that might happen in the workshop. You know, we hate it when accidents happen, but they do happen. So this one has some really great information that I didn't know, and I'm sure I'll apply going forward. Like there's one on blood blisters and getting a blood blister under the fingernail, which we've all had, and it is not very pleasant. And they go into how to take care of that. You know, it's a lot of common injuries in the shop, which, you know, like I said, do happen. I was thrilled to be a part of this. You can get your copy at lostartpress.com, and I really encourage you to. It's a great reference and a great resource. Read it through and then keep it in your shop and enjoy. Workshop Wound Care, Lost Art Press, Dr. Jeffrey Hill. Thank you.